Hello. In today's video I would like to show the settings that can be used to customize Speech4Excel Pro. This is directly after installing the program, and therefore I start with the default settings of Speech4Excel Pro. I create a new spreadsheet so I can show what the individual settings do. I open the settings page. On the settings page there are 4 tabs. On the general tab there are parameters for the general behavior of the program. The tab automatic navigation contains parameters for the navigation after the input in a cell. Under terms you can define your own vocabulary, for example technical vocabulary such as chemical names, names of devices, parts, measured values or abbreviations. On the last tab you can define your own words to trigger the predefined commands. But now to the most important parameters. With the settings on the General tab you can prevent that filled cells are overwritten, or you can define that you hear a signal when a message is displayed. You can also define that the recognized value is output again by speech. These options are useful if you can't check the screen all the time. You can also select the language that will be used for speech recognition. And you can define the input in a larger size on the screen. The recognition accuracy controls when the recognition evaluates a value as correct. I will try this out right now. I want to create a shopping list as an example. Article. Write. Quantity. Before we enter the articles, I adjust the settings. Bread. Down. Bread.
Bread.
Right. 2. Down. Left. X. We heard a signal and nothing has been overwritten because the cell is already filled. Navigation through this shopping list is not optimal. I had to navigate to the next cell after each entry. I will change that now with the navigation settings on the second tab of the settings. The most important settings to influence the navigation is the navigation direction. Navigation to the right or down once the detection is finished. With the next option you can trigger a more complex navigation. When you are in the last column of a table, it will switch to the first column of the next row. This is useful in combination with automatic navigation to the right. The next option has a similar effect, but related to columns, and is useful when downward navigation direction is selected. Continue navigation if cell is filled, navigates further if there is already a value in the target cell of the navigation. With Use automatic navigation when Enter is pressed, these navigation settings are activated for keyboard input and allow navigation patterns which are not possible with Excel. 10.
10.
Apples.
Apples.
5.
5.
A short look at the terms. Here the words for the term recognition are defined. A term is entered and the possible words that translate into that term are added. pH.
pH value.
On the commands page you can enter your own words for all defined voice commands, but it is not possible to define new commands. This was an overview of the settings you can use to customize Speech4Excel to your needs. Questions or comments are welcome either here in YouTube or by email to info@speech4excel.com. More info about Speech4Excel can be found on www.speech4excel.com. See you next time.